I'm Mike McComb. I'm a certified executive chef. We'll be putting a healthy spin on the classic dish, London broil. We'll be using turkey breast today. We're going to take the turkey breast and we're going to wash it first. We'll make a simple marinade using olive oil, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, scallions and ginger, brown sugar. We'll mix them together. We'll pour it over the turkey breast and get some on the other side. We'll cover it with plastic and marinate it for at least 3 hours under refrigeration. Now we take our marinated turkey breast out of the refrigerator and we're ready to grill. Our grill is nice and hot. Put the turkey breast on the grill, shiny side down, or the side that would have had the skin on it. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to put the lid down to allow it to cook for a few minutes before I turn it on the other side. We want to cook it about 8 minutes on each side. It really depends how big the turkey breast is. The important point is you want to make sure that you get it to an internal temperature of 165 to make sure it's safe. Anything less than that may not be safe. To check it, you can either use a pocket thermometer or we can use a thermometer that you buy in your grocery store that's a little bit bigger to read. You want to insert it into the thickest part of the turkey breast and put it in about halfway. Hold it there until the temperature reaches 165 and stops for at least 15 seconds. You really don't want to use the fork that you put it on the grill with because the turkey breast was raw and you might contaminate it. So we want to use a fresh, clean pair of tongs to avoid cross-contamination from raw to cooked. Now that it's cooled slightly, 5-10 minutes or so is enough time, we'll take our turkey breast and we're going to slice it. Cut it down the middle this way, which makes it easier to work with. Now we want to cut it on a bias. The grain runs this way, lengthwise down the turkey breast. So I want to take it on an angle this way and an angle this way at the same time. Cutting long slices on a bias. And we'll put this right here on our platter with our nice fresh vegetables.